My name is Lino, and I am a nursing instructor at West Coast University, Miami. I can lecture 5 hours about a topic, and then when they get to go to clinicals and they can put the two together and they come back to class and they're like, oh my God, when you were talking about this patient that had diabetes insipidus, I took care of this patient. So that whole aha moment from dying in lecture to actually putting it together in clinicals, I love that feeling. Our office doors are glass. You can come and see that we're standing right there. All of the instructors are more than willing to help you, even if you're not in your class. All of the instructors are more than ready to help the students be successful. Here at West Coast University, Miami, we do have a competition. So our goal is to have all of our students in each of the classes that takes an ATI Proctor to score a level 2 or above. This term, it was a close fight, but my percentage was higher. Friendly competition.